Hardworking. Being hardworking means putting in a lot of effort and not giving up until you finish a task. Examples. She is very hardworking and always does her homework on time. He became successful because he worked very hard every day. Farmers are hardworking because they work from early morning till late at night. Diligent. Diligent means working carefully and giving attention to every small detail to do something well. Examples. The student was diligent and made sure to study for every subject. He checks his work carefully because he is very diligent. She finished the project on time because she worked in a diligent way. Industrious. Industrious means working very hard and staying busy to get things done quickly. Examples. The workers were so industrious that they finished the building ahead of time. She is an industrious person who works hard at her job and studies at night. He is known for being industrious, always completing his tasks on time. Tireless. Tireless means working without stopping, even when others might feel tired. Examples. She was tireless in helping others during the flood. The tireless team worked day and night to finish the event preparations. He kept practicing in a tireless way until he became a champion. Dedicated. Dedicated means staying focused on your goal and not giving up. Examples. The teacher is very dedicated to helping her students learn. He is dedicated to his dream of becoming an artist and practices every day. The dedicated athlete trains for hours to win the competition.